Papa Topper pads are brand new from Hunkydory, and I wanted to let you see that there are 3 of them. There is a lady's choice, a gentleman's pick, and an animal magic. Now, let's get into each one, but I do want to tell you that they each have over 400 foil die cuts. That is amazing. So let me go into the animal magic. So let's take a look. And you can see that each of them is foiled. We'll get in a little bit closer. And as you can see, there's just a variety of them. So they're all going to have some greetings, some words to go with your projects. And look at that, just really charming, charming art. Isn't that pretty? And little puppies and other little animals. Very, very sweet. I love that little rabbit. And some others stacking up our jungle friends, and some elephants, and cute little hedgehog. I thought this was really cute. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most space in your heart. And kitties, of course, you can never go wrong. And koi, wishing you all the luck in the world. And a retirement little panda, so sit back and relax on your special day. It's time to soak up the sunshine and follow your dreams. Monkey, so Father's Day is also mentioned. And some wolves, some horses, owls, and more little hedgehog. So very, very sweet. This is called Animal Magic. You're going to get 3 sheets of each one. There are 45 sheets altogether, 15 different sheets as I just showed them to you. Over 400 foil die cuts. Wow, what a great bargain.